Naomi, what is inside? Let's go inside. I wonder what's inside. So now let's open it up and see. Let's try it on and see how it works. And now we will be taking up the microphone. This has Bluetooth connection. It can connect to TV, it can connect to phone, it can connect to computer. So this is Riwbox Robot Cat headphones for kids. Wireless headphones, F9 when you want to connect with your Bluetooth. Has limited volume, a microphone, LED flashing, foldable design, Robot Cat professional quality, Bluetooth stereo headphones. It has a Type-C charger cable equipped with a detachable Type-C mic, powerful compatibility with computer, iPad, smartphone, and MP3 and MP4, comfortable earmuffs, improving children's concentration, caring for kids' hearing. And this is the Type-C hearing mic. It comes with blue and green, and green and purple. We have the green and purple one. You can even use without LED flash. About 2-hour charge, 180 hours standby, high sound quality, 10 to 15 meter range, up to 6-hour talk time, 3.5mm jack cable, powerful compatibility, built-in microphone. So it's nice and foldable. You can fold it however you like. Look what you can do. Make the size bigger or smaller, however you would like. And you can move like when you fold it like this. And you can also do it like this. You want to fold it different so you don't hurt your head. We also have here the cushion is very soft. If you for left and which one is for right. And here is where you plug in the cables. And here are the modes. This is to turn on. You press long, and then lights come, and then a bunch of lights here, here, here. And then here is if you want to go to the next song, if you want to pause it or if you want to unpause it. And if you want to turn off, you just press long. Yeah. So here under you have the microphone, which you plug in here. And here we have, if you don't want to use Bluetooth, for example, you can plug it into your Alexa, laptop, or computer, or a Samsung phone. You can plug it in here. And you plug it like this. Then you put this into any device that you want. And this is the charger. This. You put it here, and then USB charger, and you got the user manual, and this is the warranty. So these headphones are perfect if you want to give it to somebody as a gift, or if you want to study or
or relax, you can put on the headphones and listen to music. So you, for example, you put the headphones on. They do not fit, so you make it bigger here and here. So,
hello, Grandma. What are you doing? How are you? Good. I'm fine. I won't give up and I won't give in till I reach the end. And I'll start again. And I know me. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even more everything. Thank you, Riwbox, for these headphones.
And if you want to buy these headphones or any other version of Riwbox, you can look in the description down below on Amazon, and you'll get a discount if you purchase on Amazon. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Riwbox. I like these cat headphones. Bye then. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.